Good evening, friends. On behalf of JKILS Institute, myself, Dr. Jyotish Kalethi, have come with a reaction video and a piece of advice. As you all know, today the awaited judgment by Supreme Court regarding experience has come, and many of you have seen the video, live video. That means you have heard the judgment straight from the horse mouth. I understand your curiosity regarding what should be the strategies and what should be the further plans. As you all know, Rajasthan judicial examination was announced prior to the judgment, so this judgment does not have any effect on the criteria of eligibility which is in Rajasthan judiciary. Since the judgment has been delivered today, that means you should all be prepared for RJS exam in the month of July. I don't think it will go beyond that, although I am not the person who will decide the dates. But still, even if it goes further, in no cost it will go beyond 15th August. That means you should all be in battle ready position by July. As far as students of JKILS is concerned, the evening batch comprises of new acts which were incorporated in RJS. Out of 10 acts, 4 acts have been completed or almost near completion. That means by mid-June, your syllabi will be completed in JKILS. You will have ample time to prepare yourself. If you are a modding student, you know very well that now only 2 subjects are pending. That means at any cost, we will complete the course again by 15th June. That means all our endeavor would be to learn, listen, write, read, whatever it is, and complete the course by 15th June in the institute, and your endeavor should be to be battle ready position in 15th July. That means we all know what shall be the dire consequences if we are not clearing this time. आप सभी ने सुना है 3 साल का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, आपने सीधा भी सुना है, वो लागू हो जाएगा अगली बार से. तो अब हमको पीछे मुड़ने का टाइम नहीं है. अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो you have to clear the examination at any cost. I don't know about other judiciaries what their eligibility criteria was, but presently LLB third year student is also eligible for RJS for this vacancy, if I am not mistaken. That means this is the advice. Now don't waste your time, and because I am listening to many people, many groups that we will have a review petition and all. Forget about this. This is just a gimmicks. Don't be influenced by those people. The CJI has given the judgment. Appreciate that fact, and he has given an elaborate judgment, taken the reports of various high courts and other stakeholders. As far as JKILS was concerned, you all know we had a refund policy. That means we anticipated anything could have happened. And all of you also knew at the bottom of the heart that there can be experience, there cannot be experience. But the silver lining in the clouds is that it is not implemented from this year. So all the people who are ready for battle, kindly give your 100%. Don't listen to others. We will do like this, we will have a review petition. No. Now the bug ends. It's called bugging. That ends. There is a full stop, and please don't be influenced by others, because in a wink of an eye, July will come. And as far as my thought process goes, pre-exam will be held in the month of July. So this is my advice and first reaction. Of course, I am not a person to comment on the judgment of Supreme Court. Neither am I eligible, nor I want to. So let's see what the other things are. The only advice which I can give is to all the students who are listening to me, please prepare if you are an eligible candidate. Things which were muddy enough, tardy enough has settled down. And we all had a thought process regarding this. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot for listening to me. And please do not listen to demo gigs who mislead the people that there will be review, this will happen, that will happen. Let's not focus on what will happen. The best thing is you all are eligible to give the exam. Otherwise, this could also been happen. It could have happened that you would have not been eligible. But भगवान की कृपा है कि आप लोग सब एलिजिबल हैं. ठीक है सर. तो डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. जुलाई इज द month where your life will take a U-turn. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.